I'm going to demonstrate time travel with a deck of playing cards. First, let's find two time travelers. All right, we've got a red queen, very easy to spot. And let's find something that's contrasting. Okay, there's a black king of spades. So, these are our two time travelers. Okay, so we've got our king of spades, and we've got our queen of hearts. Our two time travelers. We're going to take the queen of hearts and place her about here in the center of the deck. Maybe a little bit lower. That looks more like it's the center. And what we're going to do with this queen is we're going to lose her in the deck. Okay, she went off to wherever she went off. And now I'll just cut the cards and we will slide our king into the middle. And now the king is in the center of the deck. So let's say we were to go back in time, maybe about a minute. If we went back in time around 1 minute, we would see that the queen would have been in the middle of the deck. The king would not have been touched yet. And when we look, we see the queen is in the middle of the deck. The king still had not even been touched. And that, my friends, is time travel.